Carlos. What are we doing here today?
We are checking out the NUX MG300 MK2, and there's going to be a full demo that comes out. We're just kind of getting used to how it sounds and reacts, playing through a Tajima TW55. A good test on any guitar modeler is kind of what their Marshall JCM 800 sounds like. So we're running the MG300 through the NUX DA30, which is a Bluetooth personal monitor. So it's not going to color the sound any like a cab would. So I wanted to hear what just the unit sounds like before we do a full demo and acquaint myself with how it works, which is nice. So this is a Tele through just a Marshall JCM 800 sound.